What is going on, everybody? Captain Namco here. What we're looking at today is another one of my Kirbys. This is my third 80th anniversary edition Kirby Generation 4. This one's from 94. This one's from July of 94. I rescued this one on December 4th of last year. It'll be a year this December 4th. And I'll be getting a new cord for this eventually. I just haven't really had the new cord to spare to put on this, so, you know. Headlight still works on it. Now, I want to show you some of a different video after I'm done vacuuming. Cracked a little bit. Can't expect it to run a good 100% though. Tell you what it sounds like. Alright, y'all. Leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe for more, and we'll see y'all next time.